Hey, this is Sam from KitchenGadgetsClub.com and also the voice behind the popular Kitchen Gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. Well, one food I absolutely love to cook in the air fryer is chips. So I thought it'd be really good fun to have a series where we cook all our favourite foods with chips. Using either a normal air fryer drawer like what we've got a flex straw here, two separate jewel baskets, or whichever one you've got. It's brilliant for when you just want an easy dinner and you want to put them together with some chips. So we're going to show you how to cook them both at the same time and how to vary the cook time so that dinner is ready all at the same time. So if you've not done a full meal yet in the air fryer, then this is for you. So for today's with chips series, I've managed to pick up a Hunter's chicken from Morrisons, and this is perfect for those days where you think to yourself, I've got loads on, I can't be bothered to cook dinner, but I want dinner to be on the table and I don't just want to get a takeaway. This is your in-between because you've got your prepared meat from the supermarket alongside some quickly prepped chips. It makes you look like you've made more of an effort than you have. So also perfect if you've got your kids' school friends round after school and it makes you look like you're some sort of wonder mum and you've done it all. So this is what I'm going to start with. And also because it's a great way of showing you how long to cook chicken for. So we're using this, and this says 15 minutes for small chicken breasts, 20 minutes for medium and 25 minutes for large. So the question is, what would you call those? I would say more medium than small, so we're going to aim for a 20-minute cook time on those, and then we can adjust it if we need a little bit more. And best of all, it's sold in a full tray, which is air fryer friendly. So we can cook the chicken in the foil tray, in the air fryer, and it'll save on your cleanup later. So, pop it open. Get rid of any bits of cling film that you can, or plastic wrap if you're in the US. And of course you can put the barbecue sauce to one side for now. Oh, it's grabbed a lot of the sauce, so I'm just going to put that on the side for a moment. And now look at those, don't they look fabulous? Thank you, Morrisons, you never let me down. Alright, you get your drawers out, and then look, it will just fit like that in there. Or what you can do is, if you'd rather, you can turn it like that and then just put your chips like that, but you want to get a good portion of chips in there, don't you? So just pop it in like that, and now we can get the chips on in the other side. So pop in your chips, spread them out, and we're ready to do Hunter's chicken and chips. Oh, I mean, doesn't that sound amazing? So pop it in, and remember what we said. So turn it on. We're going to focus on the chicken element first. We're doing the sink. So zone 2 is where your chicken's living. So air fry, 180 Celsius, 360 Fahrenheit, 20 minutes. And then zone 1 is where your chips are. And we're going to start them off 160 for 20 minutes and then press start. Have you checked out Air Fryer Easy Every Day yet? Following on from the success of the Complete Air Fryer Cookbook, it has over 140 everyday air fryer recipes for you to follow along with at home in your air fryer. Perfect for different types of air fryers too, as it covers the air fryer oven, basket and dual air fryers, as well as some fun recipes if you're cooking for one. So what are you waiting for? Go and order yourself a copy now and you will not be disappointed. It's from 12 years of air frying. So we're on the cool down of the dinner, and can you believe that? That was the beep. So I'd left the cool down a little bit longer this time so that I can show you just what the chicken and chips looks like. Wow, look at that. Doesn't that look amazing? So that is 20 minutes on the chips, 20 minutes on the chicken. I find that a large chicken breast is 25 minutes, so now is a good time to check the internal temperature of your chicken. So, got my thermometer. You know, one of our readers said it was the most important thing for air fryer users, and I totally agree. Whilst when we were making our first cookbook, the editor actually said, are you sure you want to mention thermometers? Not everybody has it. Well, I think in real life, not everybody has it, but I think in the air fryer world, with things being a bit quirky between different air fryers, I think it's different. So if you haven't got a thermometer, I highly recommend it. So pop it in. And I'm getting a reading of approximately 50 Celsius, so it's still got a little bit longer to go. Then with these chips, silicone, brilliant for getting under them, because I do find that the air fry basket sticks a bit with the Ninjas compared to the better quality air fryers like the Philips and the Cosori. So pop your silicone in there. I would normally just shake it, but with the chicken there, it's harder to. And then we're going to get the chicken and the chips back on. So, pop them back on. And we're looking for zone 1, which is where the chips are. 180 Celsius, that's 360 Fahrenheit. And we're going to go with a cook time of 6 minutes. And then for zone 2, which is where your chicken is, we're going to go with 180, another 6 minutes. And then press start. And we're on our cool down, so I'm just going to interrupt it for a minute. Turn it off because I don't want it beeping on cool down. And then what I've got here is I've got the barbecue sauce for the chicken. So it's a good time now to add this. So come on, that's what makes a hunter's chicken, isn't it? The barbecue sauce that you can just pour on top. And that's the barbecue sauce sorted out. The chips are looking fantastic. I mean, oh, look at that for a chip. So we're just going to put it on a little bit longer just to warm up the barbecue sauce, and then we'll be done. And now we can get it back on. So pop it all back in. And then I'm going to go with a match. This time, 180, 3 minutes, and then press start. And we're on our countdown, so it's doing its cool down now, so I'm going to stop it there, and then I can show you what it's like. I've also got out some coleslaw because it's just lovely, because that's how I think of when I think of Hunter's chicken. I've had it down the pub and in restaurants loads of times. It's coleslaw with some chips and some Hunter's chicken, and it's just a lovely pairing. So put that to one side. Have a look. Oh wow, look at that. Doesn't that look fabulous? Give me a close up of those chips. I mean, look at the colouring on those chips. And isn't it great that if you own one of these bigger air fryers, you can be cooking your chips and you can be cooking the main part of your meal all at the same time and bringing it together. I mean, oh, and who doesn't love Hunter's chicken? You know, even the fussy eaters, I know, oh, I love a Hunter's chicken. That's what they always say. And if you're one of our American readers and you're watching this, Hunter's chicken's the equivalent of chicken New Yorker, I've been told. I didn't know that until recently. I thought that was really interesting. So, shall we get it out and get it portioned up? Oh, I want to give you a close-up of this because, oh, Morrisons, you've done me proud. Look at that. Look at that. And just think you could fake that. You know, if you've got friends coming round for dinner and you just want some quick, one of these chickens already made up, ready like this is just perfect. And then of course, grab yourself some chips. Oh, how many chips do you want? Oh, doesn't that look like a lovely portion? So I'll put that to one side, you can have a close-up. And there you have it, Hunter's chicken, homemade chips and some coleslaw. All courtesy of Morrisons. And I also used Morrisons wonky potatoes on this recipe. There wasn't any that was actually wonky, but they're brilliant potato to cook using the air fryer as well. So time to tuck in, I think. So let me slice into this Hunter's chicken and I'll show you what it's like. So I'm going in for a middle bit here just so that I can show you it. Wow, look at that for chicken. Doesn't it look fabulous? So, next time you're tired walking around the supermarket late at night and you just fancy something easy for dinner, then this is it. So we'll be back next time with another recipe featuring chips, and it's going to be one out of Air Fryer Easy Every Day, and we're going to be showing you how you can cook a doner kebab in the air fryer at the same time as your chips and serving it together for your own homemade takeaway. Thanks so much for watching our YouTube video. It feels so amazing that you've stuck around to the end. And of course, that must mean that you like our videos. So why not also follow us on social media? You can find us at the Kitchen Gadgets Club on Facebook and on Pinterest, TikTok, we're Kitchen Gadgets Club. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great videos like this one. And you can also find us at KitchenGadgetsClub.com, where we have a membership that shares brand new kitchen gadget recipes every week. And we also have lots of great ideas, resources, tips and tricks. And we are an ovenless kitchen, so we teach you exclusively how to cook with kitchen gadgets. And a ciao for now.